The universe went through inflation, in other words, really fast growth, like the picture below. Protons and neutrons and electrons formed a little shorter than the universe inflated. In other words, really grew faster. Atoms started forming 300,000 years later. The universe is growing and cooling and coming together. Like up in the picture, you see the universe, but instead it's also coming together. First star appears. First planet appears right in the picture below. Stars are brighter but burn out faster, like in the picture below. The star is close to dying and gravity pulls it together and explodes! Star, gravity, boom! Hydrogen and helium to make the planet Earth. And this one is hydrogen, and this one is helium. Hydrogen and helium mix, it kind of creates a planet. Elements are formed by the process of fusion, which means protons and neutrons of atoms combining. Some of these elements can be formed in really hot stars, such as red giants. However, the larger elements require even more heat to form. They will only form in an event known as supernovas, which happen when an enormous star explodes. Here makes a planet. What makes a star would leave some of their energy in the spot where they exploded, making new planets. Big cloud of gas called nebula was before a star formed. Gravity pulls the stars together. Two elements got pushed together. Hydrogen and helium would be a new element. Sun is yellow, so it was one of the energies released. Began as dust and gas in the nebula. Dun dun dun. Why? It made the planet slow down. Begins colliding and sticking together, creating planetesimals. Of planetesimals collided or getting pulled together by gravity, creating a planet. Planets capture all the matter in their orbit. This picture up here is mainly gas, colder and bigger, because a strong solar wind blew gas made of hydrogen and helium away from the sun. The inner planets did not have enough gravity to catch this gas. Plus, it was still moving away quickly. The outer planets were already bigger because they had trapped ice, so they had enough gravity to hold on to the gas. Picture below, right here, it is mainly rock, hotter, and smaller. This is because the inner planets were smaller, so they could not hold onto their gasless. The other planets got bigger as they held their gasless.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.